Hello student, in class 10th our next chapter is polynomial. So let's start polynomial. Before starting the chapter, let's revise few things whatever you have studied in class 9th. About polynomial already you have learned a lot of things like algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variable. What is variable? Variable which can accept any value like x, y, z, x, and constant are the fixed number like 2. So we have 2 into x, so we will get 2x as a algebraic expression. So algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variable connected by operators. Operator means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here we are using multiplication operator, so we will have 2x as a algebraic expression. In the algebraic expression already you have learned about coefficient and degree or exponent. Coefficient, that is this 2 is known as coefficient, and degree that means highest exponent of the variable is known as degree. Like here is nothing, so we will have 1. If we have 3y cube, that is this 3 is known as coefficient and this 3 is known as degree, and the variable is y. Classification of algebraic expression in two way. First, according to degree wise, and second according to term or step. So according to degree you have learned linear means a polynomial or algebraic expression having highest degree 1. Example 2x plus 1. And next is quadratic algebraic expression like 4y square plus 3y plus 2. That means algebraic expression having highest degree is 2 is known as quadratic. Cubic, that is highest degree of algebraic expression containing highest degree 3 is known as cubic, like 2z cube plus 3z square plus 2z plus 1. So this is the algebraic expression in terms of z variable. This is algebraic expression, quadratic algebraic expression in terms of y variable, and this is linear algebraic expression in terms of x variable. According to step we have monomial means having one term, binomial having 2 term, trinomial having 3 term, etc. So this is all about algebraic expression. It is similar with the polynomial. So let's see what is polynomial. If we have any function, any algebraic expression in terms of x, like 2 plus 3x plus 4x square minus 3x cube and so on up to like 5x raised to n. So this is a polynomial where 2, 3, 4, minus 3, 5 all are real numbers and exponent of the variable should be positive. So let's see standard definition. Let x be a variable, n be a positive integer, a0, a1, a2 up to an be constant or real number, then fx equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a4x4 dash 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 or up to an x raised to n is called polynomial in variable x. For example, we have px equals to 3x minus 2, that is the polynomial in terms of x variable, and its highest degree is 1. Highest degree means the variable containing highest degree, that is known as highest degree or degree of a polynomial. Second example, we have qy, that is 3y square minus 2y plus 4 in terms of y variable, and f of u next, that is half of u cube minus 3u square plus 2u minus 4, that is in terms of u. So here highest degree of the variable is 1, here is highest degree of variable, that is 2, and here is highest degree of variable, that is 3. So they are the exponent or degree of the variable in terms of x, in terms of y, in terms of u. Let us take another example like f of z. So we have 3 plus 2z square z plus 3z cube and so on. So this is the polynomial in terms of z variable. Here 3, 2, 3, whatever, that is a0 plus a1, a2, a3 up to an, it belongs to the real number. It should be real number, and degree of the variable should be positive, then it is known as polynomial. We can also classify polynomial according to same way, according to degree wise, according to step wise. So we will get linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial. Now let's see some another definition. Degree of a polynomial. What is the degree of polynomial? The exponent of the highest degree term in the polynomial is known as its degree, or in another word, the highest power of x in a polynomial fx is called the degree of the polynomial in terms of polynomial fx. For the example, we have polynomial fx like 3x plus half. So here is the polynomial of degree 1. Why? Because highest degree of the variable in this polynomial is x raised to 1, nothing is, that means here we have 1. Now let take the another example. Gy is another polynomial in terms of y variable, and its value is 2y square minus 3 upon 2y plus a1. So we have we have polynomial in y variable, and its degree is here 2, because the highest degree of this polynomial in the variable, that is y square, so here degree is 2. And one more example, let us take px, that is 5x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 1 upon under root 2. Here variable x is having highest degree 2, so degree of the polynomial is 3. Remember one thing, as earlier I told you, value of the polynomial, degree of the polynomial should be non-integral power, non-negative, non-zero and non-integral power, then this is the polynomial. Difference between polynomial and the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is the combination of constant and variable, but the polynomial, it contains non-integral power, non-zero, non-negative or positive integral power of the positive power of the variable. So this is the degree of polynomial. Now constant polynomial we will see in the next video.